Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Parisian Beauty Suite from the mini catalog. So here's the card. I used glimmer paper and the Parisian Blossoms designer series paper and the rhinestones, so it's a really blinged out card. Here's a sample of the Parisian Blossoms designer series paper. There's foil on some of the sheets, so the Eiffel Tower has foil, and then there's some keys, and then this flower has foil, and then this is the one that I'm using for this card. And then you also have this piece, I love this one, that has a script in foil. Super pretty paper. So for this card, I used a combination of, let's see, did I use this one? Well, I'll show you it anyway. This is the Forever Blossoms bundle, and it comes with the stamps and the dies, and if you purchase them together, they're 10% off. But I think this bundle that I used was this one. Yes. So there's the Eiffel Tower that you can cut out like this, or you can stamp and cut out. And then there's Amour and Merci, so I've got that there. And again, you can purchase this in a bundle for 10% off. So for the card, I'm gonna start by adhering the pretty paper down to a petal pink cardstock base that's 4 1/4 by 11. So and now I'm going to stamp this. You can see I've kind of stamped it before in Early Espresso. And I'm just going to do it randomly. So I'm just going to kind of go off the page too. And I'll add one more to the bottom. Oh, I still need this because I'm gonna do the edges really, really softly because this is such a dark color. I don't wanna do a really, really dark edge. So this makes the paper pop off the card, in my opinion. I'm not gonna add dimensionals to this. I usually do, but since I have the Eiffel Tower to lay down, I'm not gonna use any dimensionals under it because I think it would make it unstable with parts of the Eiffel Tower sticking out. So I'm gonna lay these down flat. All right, so now I can lay this down flat, although it pains me to do so because I would normally pop this up. And then the next piece is from the Stitched So Sweetly dies, as well as this rectangular scallop die is in that too. And I'm gonna use petal pink around the edge of this one too. Just do both, keep it consistent. So I'm gonna put some ink all around this one too. I'm just gonna do it just on the edges. Sometimes people like to ink in a little bit more. This one I'm just gonna do around the edges, just barely. Just as a little hint of color around the edges. Then I'm gonna lay this one down flat too. So it's gonna go about here. And then I'm going to put some liquid adhesive on both of these. Make sure I have everything poked out. It looks like right there I have two that are not poked out. Okay. So let's start with this one. Just gonna do a little bit, little dots. And place this right here. And then I'm going to do the Eiffel Tower. I'm gonna add that right about here. The kitty cat just jumped up in my lap. She's gonna wanna get into my stuff. I'm just gonna hold this down. Then I'm gonna add dimensionals on this. So right about there. And that's our card. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my website, eStampin.com. You can find all the information about shopping by clicking Shop Now and joining my team. There's a special going on right now during Celebration through the end of March, where if you join my team, purchase a starter kit, you'll get a free mini cutter, the mini paper cutter, which is so cute, a stack of extra designer series paper, 6x6 size, and a stamp set of your choice, in addition to the $125 of product. So check it out on my website, eStampin.com, and click on Join Now. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.